Hey, good morning, Julien. What do we got today?
Hey Ben, good morning guys. 2007 Aston Martin DB9 with a V12. Customer brought the car with a tow truck because it won't start. So it turns out that the battery was completely dead and we were not able to charge it. So we replaced the battery with a proper one, AGM battery, and so far the car starts. I'm doing some tests for the alternator, making sure it's charging, and we'll do an inspection after that.
Yeah. What kind of engine does this thing have? It sounds pretty sick.
6-liter V12.
Wow, that's crazy. Well, you guys heard it. If you got an Aston Martin or any other European vehicle and you need a specialist, come see Mr. Julien here, legendaryfl.com, or you can call us at 239-277-1004.